Morning students, today we are going to discuss the last story of our book Hornbill. The image that you are looking at on the screen is the image of British geographer Nick Middleton. He describes his personal journey in this story, and the journey is through the Silk Road. Therefore, the name of the story is Silk Road, written by Nick Middleton. The author describes his journey from Mount Ravu to Mount Kailash. And what is the purpose of his journey? To complete his Kora, a religious journey. He hires Satan and takes Daniel is his friend, along with him as a company to this journey. And the name of the road he has to go through is Silk Road. The name of the story, name of the chapter is Silk Road. It is why? Because the author has to go through Silk Road to reach Mount Kailash. They means Satan the driver, his company Daniel, and the author himself have to go through high mountain passes. जो वे है उनका, जो रोड है वो माउंटेन्स के बीच में से निकली हुई रोड है. द राइड इज शार्पर एंड बम्पियर. उनकी राइड बिकॉज दे आर ड्राइविंग इन अ कार, शार्प है और बम्प्स है, हैवी बम्प्स लगते हैं उनको, जंप्स जैसे. द ऑथर फील्स अनकम्फर्टेबल मीन्स जैसे जैसे दे रीच हाई अल्टीट्यूड and he starts feeling uncomfortable because of the low air pressure and lack of oxygen. At last they reach a small town, Hor, in late afternoon. Means at last they reach Hor, and Hor is a very lonely place which the author does not like. When they reach Darchan, the author is completely exhausted because he was already not feeling well, and Darchan is at more height and he is completely exhausted and suffers from nose congestion. He goes to the doctor gives him medicine and he feels better by next morning. There at Darchan, he meets another pilgrim and his name is Norbu. There are no other pilgrims and the place is completely lonely. The author thinks that perhaps he has reached earlier because the season when there are more pilgrims at Darchan is yet to be arrived. But he is satisfied that he has got a company in the form of Norbu. And Norbu proves to be a good company for the author for many reasons. Norbu has some knowledge of the place. Norbu has knowledge of the language of the place. Moreover, he knows English also. In this way, the author, though he is not able to understand the language of Norbu, but still Norbu can understand the author, and author is delighted to find a company in such a lonely place, and he feels a little comfortable after a few days when his nose congestion is gone. In this way, he completes his Kora and fulfills his cherished desire. It was his cherished desire to go to Mount Kailash. So, with this small story, he just shares his experiences of, there are many details about the hilly areas, how they pass, but the nutshell of the story is only this. All the value points I have written here in the form of sentences. Sometimes I give you, last time I gave you the nutshell, the complete essence of the story in the form of notes. But this time I am giving you in the form of sentences. In the same way, you can make notes from these sentences. In the last story, I gave you the notes and I asked you to make a summary. But this time I am giving you the summary and asking you to make notes, means to note down only the points in the form of note making format. Thank you students. Do your work and submit by today evening.